Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. First off, I hope it's not too windy. Here in Northwest Oklahoma, it's a pain in the butt trying to record these videos because every time I want to come out, it always seems to be windy. So we're going to try this. Today we're going to swap out these the locks on this basement compartment. I've got 2 barrel locks. I placed an order for 4 because my toolbox on my tow vehicle takes these barrel locks, and it just so happened they were the same size. So I got 4 of them with the same key, so that way I can replace both locks, the turn lock and the original lock on here. I wanted to do both locks because I thought maybe it would slow people up a little bit more of getting in here. And so yeah, this way, 1 key, 2 compartments, perfect. So what tools you'll need on the screen right now, it's a 7/8 wrench, a 7/16 wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. And then of course your barrel locks. You don't have to get the 4, you can get 2 or even just 1 if you want to just replace the 1 lock. Links for these barrel locks will be down in the description. So let's get started. Starting off with the Phillips screwdriver, go ahead and take this Phillips screw out. Set this stuff to the side. I have a project possibly with this original lock later on. Now with your 7/8, go ahead and take off the barrel lock. Keep this black plastic washer, we'll be reusing it. Okay, press it out, set it to the side. Okay, the new barrel lock, go ahead and, if it comes assembled, go ahead and take it apart. Go ahead and put this nut back on here so you don't lose this little spacer. Okay, with the locking notch, you want this facing down when you insert it in. Go ahead and take this nut off. Okay, take the black washer. Go ahead and put, missed a step. The original has this like a foam washer. Go ahead and take it off. Reuse it on the outside. Okay. Insert. And put on the nut. Okay, when tightening this up, don't get too crazy because this is plastic. Doesn't need to be super tight. It's good enough. Okay, go ahead and take your nut off. Grab your arm. You're going to want your arm facing the rear of the trailer. Okay, and tighten the nut. Okay. Now, before you move on to the next one, let's go ahead and check and make sure this works. Now, if you're just replacing the one side, you're done. Congratulations. You can shut the video off, hit like. If not, if you're moving on to changing them both, repeat the same process. Start with your Phillips screwdriver. Take that arm off, set it to the side. Move on to your 7/8. Keep the plastic washer. Okay. And take your foam washer, set it to the side. Put your nut back on this turn lock. Set it to the side. Don't trash it. Could come in handy. Okay, take your barrel lock. Take the arm, set it to the side. Put that nut back on so you don't lose that little washer. Take your nut off. Set it to the side. Grab your foam washer. Put that on. Okay, just like last time. If you need to, double check. Make sure your lock. Go ahead and insert. Install your plastic washer. Your locking nut. Again, on these, the torque is just right. Not too much to break the plastic, but just right. There you go. Okay, grab your arm. Whoop, don't drop your nut. Okay, grab your arm, install it, nut on. Don't stand in inks. Tighten this nut up. Check and make sure you installed your lock properly. There we go. Now let's test it. Okay, just like that, we're complete. Now you can install a little finger lift here if you want. I'm just going to use this magnet, seems to work, or even the key. Use it. Voila. All right. Hit that thumbs up if you like it, and we'll see you on the next one.